Welcome to the City of Light. Today we begin an intimate journey through the soul of Paris, starting in its historic heart. There is no symbol more iconic than this Iron Lady, standing tall as a beacon of elegance and history. The river is the lifeblood of Paris, carving a path through centuries of art, culture, and romance. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now, we duck into the narrow alleys of Le Marais, where the medieval past meets modern Parisian chic. Hidden courtyards and tiny boutiques wait around every corner, offering a glimpse into the local way of life. In the heart of the district lies Place des Vosges, a masterclass in Renaissance urban planning. No morning in Paris is complete without the ritual of coffee at a local bistro, watching the world drift by. We move toward the Louvre, where the glass pyramid stands as a gateway to the world's greatest treasures. The gardens provide a moment of royal respite, a green lung in the center of the bustling metropolis. Standing here, you can feel the weight of history, from the echoes of the Revolution to the grandeur of the Empire. The world's most famous avenue beckons, leading us toward the triumph that awaits at its end, a monument to victory and a sentinel over the city's 12 radiating avenues. Now we climb. The hilltop village of Montmartre has long been the sanctuary of dreamers and artists. At the summit, the Sacré-Cœur looks out over Paris like a silent, watchful guardian. In the square, the artistic heart of Paris still beats, vibrant and full of creative energy. Descending the hill, we find the playful, bohemian spirit of the city's legendary nightlife. Crossing back to the left bank, we enter the intellectual realm of Saint-Germain-des-Prés, a haven for writers and bibliophiles for a century, where the scent of old paper fills the air. Even in its state of renewal, the cathedral remains the spiritual anchor of the Ile de la Cité. From here, you can see the layers of time that have built this incredible city. Let's lose ourselves for a moment in the refined beauty of the Luxembourg Gardens. The Latin Quarter hums with student life and the echoes of ancient academic debates. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city begins to glow with a magical amber light. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. This concludes part 1 of our tour. In part 2, we'll explore the hidden gems and local secrets. Join us then.